funny is something that I'm sure a lot of people wish they were. Well, fear not, because I, Aman Narendra Ali of the Sriram School Aravali, I'm here to help with some techniques that have a 100% chance of success in some cases. First, observe people you find funny. Not in a weird way or anything, just see what makes them funny. Understanding that will give you a pretty good idea of what you can do to be funny. Try out what they do, like their body language. For example, Russell Peters likes to bug his eyes out and move his hands like this, while on the opposite end of the spectrum, Ryan Stiles just kind of leans to his right like this. Second, context is key when you try to be funny. When you're making a joke, try and make sure that it references something that you know the people who you're talking to are thinking about. Unless you've already established yourself as the funny guy of your group, in which case you really don't need this talk, it's really weird to just walk up to your friends and start making jokes about something random. It'll just be a lot funnier if you joke about something on the collective conscious, like Jacob Sartorius' lack of talent. Third, timing is important. If something's happening and you think of a good joke about it, say it. You can't go up to somebody after the event has happened and say, hey, you know that thing that happened today morning? Well, here's what I would have said. That's kind of pitiful, and you'll forever be known as the sad tryhard. Fourth, master the punchline. When telling a joke, try and make sure that the punchline is something completely unexpected. For example, here's one from Colin Mockery pretending to be a newscaster. Our top story today, 9 out of 10 Americans believe that out of 10 people, one will always disagree with the other 9. When you hear the first half, you think it's a normal survey. Then you hear the punchline and realize it's a self-referencing joke, and you go, oh, I didn't expect that. That's hilarious. Ha ha ha. Though you hopefully laugh with more emotion than that. Fifth, be confident. Don't hesitate or stutter out of nervousness during the delivery of your joke, unless it's actually meant to be a part of your joke. This might take a little practice though, so practice in front of your family or a mirror until you feel confident enough. And last, be ready to fail. Not every joke you make will land well. As long as some of them make people laugh, it's okay if the others won't. Actually, one last thing to remember. Coming up with jokes is not always easy, but the important thing is to not force them. Let them come naturally to you, and you will be funny in no time.